Think you need thousands to start investing? What if I told you you only need $100? Yes, $100. And no, this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how $100 can be the first step toward transforming your financial future. So, are you ready to get your money working for you? Now, let's talk about something most people avoid: fear. A lot of us, especially in our 20s, live with the fear of financial uncertainty. We worry about debt, saving enough, or missing out on opportunities that could grow our wealth. But here's the hard truth. Every day you wait to start investing is a day you lose potential gains. Imagine being 40 years old, looking back, and realizing you missed out on decades of growth. But hey, before you start panicking, I've got good news. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need thousands of dollars. You just need $100. Yes, $100. Let's break this down. And by the end of this video, you'll be asking yourself, why haven't I started already? So where does that $100 go? Let's talk about a few options that are perfect for beginners like you. Option 1. Index funds. This is my personal favorite. Index funds are like a basket of the top-performing companies. Think Apple, Google, Microsoft. By investing in an index fund, you're spreading your $100 across multiple companies. It's safer, smarter, and historically, it gives you a solid return over time. Plus, you don't have to be the next Warren Buffett analyzing every single stock. We're trying to make life easier, not more complicated, right? Option 2. ETFs. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, are another great option. Think of them like index funds, but with a bit more flexibility. You can trade them throughout the day, and some have super low fees, meaning more of your money stays invested. It's a great way to dip your toes into the market while still diversifying your investment. But what if I told you there's an even simpler way? A method so hands-off, you barely need to lift a finger? Stick around, because we're getting to that. Option 3. Robo-advisors. Now, if you're thinking, okay, this is all great, but I still don't know where to start, let me introduce you to robo-advisors. These platforms like Betterment or Wealthfront do all the heavy lifting for you. You set your goals, risk tolerance, and boom! The robo-advisor automatically allocates your $100 across investments based on those factors. It's like having a financial planner, minus the expensive suits and confusing jargon. Here's the thing. The stock market has averaged about 7 to 10% returns over the long term. Think about that. Your $100 today could turn into so much more over the years. But here's the flip side. What happens if you don't start? You'll miss the chance to take advantage of compound growth, the magic of earning returns on your returns. Time is your best friend when it comes to investing. The earlier you start, the better off you'll be. Now that you're on the path to investing with just $100, you've tackled the first step toward financial freedom. But there's something equally important that's often overlooked: saving for retirement. Want to learn how to save for retirement in your 20s and 30s? Trust me, you don't want to miss this next step. Click on the video right here to learn how to set yourself up for a stress-free retirement. Because investing is just one part of the puzzle. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. I'll see you there.